Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our June 2018 giveaway winner. This giveaway is incredible. I don't even remember what's in there, but that is a bunch of good stuff. So, before we get to the winner, do you want to see what the lucky person is winning? Me too! Oh, I'm so excited. Starting off with, of course, our bracelet, which I hope you can see. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that one. And those beads are all a little bit, well, they're all hand painted, but they're all a little bit mottled. So the blue has a little bit of cream on it and browns, and they're very, 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 very gorgeous. So the bracelet, where are we gonna put it? The bracelet and the yarn. So we have two blues in Kenyan acrylic and two beige in Kenyan acrylic. And two eyelet to match the bracelet. So that's the yarn part of the giveaway. Oh, isn't that just dreamy? Oh, I'm jealous. Oh, wow, great. I totally forgot what's in here. Banana crisps. Good ones. Look how big the pieces are. That's hard to find. So they're salted and great. So bag of junk food. Kind of junk food. It's fruit technically. That's my story. More junk food. Safari puffs. Chili lemon. Cheese. Pizza, which is just tomato and cheese together. And tomato. So 4 packs of safari puffs. Over there. Ooh, so great down in there. We'll continue with snacks. So also our to-go Choco Banana snack with vitamin C. Great packaging, love it. Nairobi. Local product. And cashew nuts and macadamia nuts from Nut Fields. Dry, roasted, and salted, both of them. Yummy. Oh, not there yet. We also have ginger nut biscuits, which are like ginger snaps. Manji is the company. That's a Kenyan company. They're made in Nairobi. And also Nice biscuits, which are coconut sugar cookies. Oh, they're really good. By Britannia, which is also a Kenyan company, made in Nairobi. Pretty sure it's Nairobi. I know I've driven past their factory a bunch of times. Yeah, industrial area. So they are made in Nairobi. Love that. Snacks. Oh, and not a Kenyan product, but important nonetheless, is 2 packs of Spout gum, which is like Juice It Up. Is that what it was called? Juice It Up? Juice It? Freshen Up. Freshen Up. So 2 packs of that, 1 peppermint and 1 cinnamon. So if you remember that kind of gum, we get these here. They're not made here, but we have them. Put those there. And I think that's it for snacks. Moving on to tea. We have a fruit tea assortment. So this is my favorite company, my Caricho Gold. And there is 4 different flavors inside there. I'm trying to find it where they wrote it. Oh, on the side. Okay. So apple and cinnamon, strawberry vanilla, peach, and ginger lemon. All of those are really good. I really love the ginger lemon. That's my favorite. I'll put tea on this side. And also my regular black tea, Carrito Gold, 25 tea bags with a string and a tag. Love those ones. That's my tea, my everyday tea. Also have loose tea. I think it's 250 grams. Yeah, 250 grams. And also tea masala. So this is the kind you put some water on the stove in a cooking pot and add some tea, sprinkle some tea on the top of it, and sprinkle some tea masala, let it boil, add your milk, heat it up, and put it through a strainer. Oh, I forgot to get you guys a strainer. I'll get you guys a strainer. The lucky winner, I'll throw one in, because that's part of the Kenyan experience. And there you have your masala tea, or masala chai, or Kenyan tea. So, a whole tin of, or whole jar of masala tea, the spice, tea masala, and loose tea. And this is the brand I used to drink when I first moved here, when I used to like cook tea all the time. So that's flashback for you. There you go. There we are. And the good old standby Axion dish paste with corresponding sponge. There's the sponge. So this dish paste you can get on Amazon if you want to try it. They make it in Mexico. And here, I haven't tried the Mexican version, but it must be very similar. It's a grease cutter and soap all in one. I love the smell. So it comes in lemon or lime. This is the lime. And it's really hard. So you add water, you get your sponge wet and rub it on the top so some of the paste gets onto your sponge, and you just kind of wipe your dishes. Everything falls off your dish, all the grease, everything. You don't even have to do it twice. So this stuff is amazing. It's great. So sponge wet, do your dishes. They come in bigger tubs. This is the smallest because it's pretty heavy for shipping and everything. 200 grams in this small little tub. So that is also coming to you. And who is the lucky winner? Okay, let me fold it over. I'll see if you know you won't actually. This is kind of, well, some of you may know that I'm always telling you change your logo. So you have to change your logo on Google. So this is your Gmail or your Google account picture, but if you just click on it on your YouTube now, it'll go change and like edit profile or whatever, and it takes you to Google and you just change your picture. But this one has not done it yet. Letter D. So that's not really a big hint, is it? Okay. So get ready. Deb Smith. Yay! Congratulations, Deb. Kat, I'm so happy for you. Literally thrilled. Her 95-year-old mother, if I'm not mistaken, has just moved in with her, so they're rearranging their house to accommodate her mother. And, oh yeah, so I can even read her comment. I just love to de-stress doing a simple shell Afghan pattern. I've made many Afghans this year. I'm working on my 11th one right now. What? You're kicking my butt so hard. I love the colors. I would make a lap Afghan for my 95-year-old mom who's living with me, and I would share the treats with my crochet group. The bracelet would be for me. Well, the bracelet is coming at you, and you can have a total crochet party with all the treats. So congratulations, Deb. I'm super happy for you. Just send me an email with your mailing address, and I will ship this out to you. So excited. It takes about a month to get there, I won't lie. Plus, I have to get to the post office, so it'll still be a while before it reaches you, but so happy for you and so excited. So congratulations. If you didn't win, we will have something like this, a few different options, color combinations on the website coming up sometime this summer, in the next month or so. I'll have some options on there if you just want to buy our collection, something like this. So I will go and put some things together like that, and they'll be on the website. I will let you know in a podcast when I actually get that done. But that is on my list of things to do. We are also having another giveaway for July and August. which I will be announcing in the next few days. So stay tuned for that, and good luck on the next giveaway, and congratulations to Deb. So happy for you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay hooked.